Chapter 1. Holiday Time. Laura and Max are twins. They live in London with their mum and dad. They always have interesting adventures on holiday. They visit different cities and countries. This summer, they are going to stay in a small cottage in the country. The cottage is in a village called Stone Cross, near Salisbury. Max and Laura aren't very happy.
Boring,
says Max. He looks at the map.
The cottage is in the middle of a field. What can we do in the middle of a field? Why are we going there?
Asks Laura. Their dad is very tired. He says he wants to relax and to sleep a lot. Their mum loves the country. She wants to walk and paint.
It's a very beautiful part of England,
she says.
Full of culture, tradition, mystery.
Mystery?
Say Max and Laura together.
Mystery? OK, let's go.
Chapter 2. Stone Cross. The next day, Uncle Stephen and Auntie Barbara arrive. They have lots of suitcases. This year, the two families are going on holiday together. Mum drives her car. Dad sleeps. Dad always sleeps. Uncle Stephen and Auntie Barbara follow in their slow, old car. 2 hours later, they arrive at Stone Cross and find their cottage in the middle of a field. There are green hills, beautiful cottages, flowers, sheep and cows everywhere.
It's lovely,
say Max and Laura.
It's perfect,
say Mum and Auntie Barbara. Dad says nothing. He is sleeping in the car.
What do you think, Stephen? Do you like it?
Uncle Stephen doesn't answer. He is looking into the distance. His eyes are very black and strange.
What's the matter, Stephen?
Asks Auntie Barbara.
Don't you like the cottage?
Yes, it's wonderful,
he says.
Come on, everyone. Let's take these suitcases inside. Wake up, Andrew!
Dad wakes up.
What? Oh, where are we? We're here at Stone Cross. Come and help. We must take the suitcases into the cottage.
They take the suitcases and go inside, but Uncle Stephen waits. He wants to talk to his wife.
Barbara, I must tell you something,
he says. His voice is very serious.
This place...
Yes, darling?
This place is in my book. Do you remember? The book I am studying about mysteries.
But, Stephen, that book is very old. It's full of strange codes and secret messages.
Exactly. Don't you understand? This is the place where...
Come on, Barbara. Come on, Stephen.
Shouts Mum from the cottage.
We're coming!
Uncle Stephen and Auntie Barbara answer. But when they walk to the cottage, their faces are white. They look very worried.